your response, you will not do it. You will decorate this one next week. It's a butter cake.
Or we leave it there.
No, we will bake it. Then after that, put in the fridge.
Or you, that's what I'm saying, you will leave it in the fridge.
Yeah, for next week. Because,
Okay.
because next week, you have to decorate it.
And this one we can put also chocolate.